Ali, show me. So she finished her. Okay. What's this again? Yesterday you ate 2 eggs and rightly also one. Hi Aru, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. So what you did? You on that pan and you had your water there. So you took 2 Maggi. Okay. So you have taken here this all.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what you do right now?
First, take one bowl and pour 2 glasses of water and wait some 2 minutes and pour masala.
Aaleena, by carrying that egg, how you will take that? You have.
First,
You should not always be around this gas stove.
Give me
Both of them, Baba Mardal, Aaron and Aaleena. Hey, how you know, Ray? All? ఓకే ఈ పిల్లలకి వీడియో అంటే చాలు వెంటనే కుకింగ్లోకి వచ్చేస్తున్నారు. ఈ మధ్య పిల్లలకి చాలా క్రేజీ విత్ ద వీడియోస్. హియర్ మ్యాగీ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ రెడీ. దేర్ వన్ మ్యాగీ ఇట్స్ గాట్ రెడీ అండ్ రైట్లీ వన్ మోర్ ఫర్ దిస్ పర్సన్. వీడియో అయితే చాలు ఇంక అందరు వంటలు చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసి. అది గుడ్డు పట్టు మన పగులుతుందా అని జాగ్రత్త. ఇంకా చాలా అని
ఈ మసాలా కూడా వేసేస్తా.
For him and for his sister.
He's a boy, not his sister.
Can I
Break it. Slowly, beta. Open.
open it?
Open.
I just want to
ఈ పిల్లలకి ఎట్లా వంటలు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారో ఏమో.
అసలు ఎప్పుడు చేయలేదు తెలుసా.
You did not do it first time. You're doing very good.
Wash your hands.
She kept a pan, she poured oil. She know that she can pour an oil and then she break that egg and she also opened it.
Pan should be hot because that is stick to bottom.
అదే ఇట్లా చాలు పెద్ద వస్తుంది ఆమ్లెట్.
Not that one, something that you have to make it. Water finished.
Again one egg will go. One egg will waste. I will get masala.
Yes, very nice.
Can I put?
Wait, with hand you put.
Why there? How? Nafa? This much.
Spoon means everything. Spread. Don't put it at one place only.
Some paspu.
Little pastel.
Paspu is there,
Turmeric you'll call it as. And red chili powder.
Why did you put so much more?
Enough, huh?
Enough. Hey, where is that fork?
Not with fork, you have to make it.
She can mix it with fruit also.
Roshini, you wanna do with fork, huh?
My mother do like that only.
I will ask spoon comes.
she will do? You go and sit. You have pregnant no boy.
ना लवली बुड्ढा my lovely बड्डा गाडू my buddy अरे इसको जम आईला పెట్టినా నాది ఉడకాల కదా
హైలో పెడితే పొంగుతుంది అది.
Oh my god, these people are so independent at the age of 5, 6, 7. What's your age, Aaron?
9.
You're 9, and what about you, Ali?
7.
Okay, so she took her omelette and she got plating. She finished. What this lay? Wait, you show me your what's Ray? You finished. You show me.
Maggie and omelette.
You'll always have this Maggie with omelette.
Oh yeah.
Show me, Ray.
See, 1 minute. Not in this ball, another ball.
Finished, Ray?
Not that ball. Another ball.
It's getting boiled.
హైలో పెడితే అది ఇట్లా వస్తుంది చూడు. చూడు పొంగుతుంది అది.
Okay, then after that you finished, you'll show me. Let that boil, okay? Now it was garnished with kothmira. She likes coriander. That's what she kept, some coriander here. So Aleena's Maggie with omelette. Thank you, man. Praise the Lord. So you're ready to eat?
Yeah.
You want me to share?
I will pray sometime.
You'll pray and you'll eat?
Ah.
Okay, pray. I'll listen. Amen. So he's gonna, okay.
Half for you, half for your sister. Okay. I will get one bowl. 1 minute. 1 plate. Take it.
Why bowl?
Everyone bowl only.
Hey, no bowl.
Bowl.
You finished cooked, huh?
Sit there.
What is that tray?
ఇక చాలు ఇక మీ జోకులు ఎక్కువైపోయినాయి కానీ ఇక తినేసాను ఇంకా టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకండి థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రైజ్ ద లార్డ్ మై డాటర్ Aaleena Susan Paul, my sister's daughter, she always cooks for herself in Maggie especially. Hi Ali, how are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
So what you are doing by keeping something stool here?
When my mother do Maggie for me.
What?
When my mother do for me Maggie.
At that time you saw? At that time you saw?
Yeah.
So what you will do right now? So what you made here inside?
Maggie.
What you kept, Ray? Water. And then?
Hey!
Wait.
Don't put now. English alagunda.
మీ బావ ఏం చింతల్లి ఇంగ్లీష్ అలాగుండా అంటాడు.
You don't know English.
I know Hindi, Tamil, Kannada.
Tell me.
But I don't know English.
You hate English?
I think.
Can I put masala?
Yeah, you should. And you might be knowing it, no? Whether to keep or not.
This.
You wanna put?
All fire.
What's that?
Masala.
Okay, you'll keep that only inside.
No, inside.
She'll put inside. Hey, you are working with your left hand. So you are left hand person?
Yeah.
With left hand you'll cook?
Yeah.
And with left hand only you'll eat?
Yeah.
Is it?
No, the right hand.
With right hand you'll eat?
Yeah.
So since how long you'll cook it?
Some 2 minutes. I don't know how many.
Okay, that's it, or you want me to continue or finished? After it get boils, you'll keep it?
No.
Huh?
We have something.
Huh?
We have. It is boiling masala. Masala water is there.
So the water should get drained.
Yeah.
Thank you, lovely. We'll see you after it get prepared. Thank you. Bye bye.